The Filipino adverb madalas means often or frequently in English. Madalas. Madalas. Let us have the following example sentences using the word madalas. Madalas kaming maglaro ng basketball. It means we often or we frequently play basketball. Madalas is often or frequently. Kami is we. Laro is play. And then basketball. Madalas kaming maglaro ng basketball. Madalas umuulan sa lugar na ito. It often rains in this area. Madalas is often. Ulan is rain. Lugar is place. And then na ito is this. Madalas umuulan sa lugar na ito. It often rains in this area. Madalas siyang mag-text sa akin tuwing gabi. He or she often texts me every night. Madalas is often. Siya is he or she, gender neutral. Mag-text, text, like a message. Sa akin is to me. Tuwing is every, and then gabi is night. Madalas siyang mag-text sa akin tuwing gabi. Pumupunta sila sa parke madalas tuwing linggo. It means they go to the park often every Sunday. Pumupunta, punta is like go or visit. Sila is they. Sa parke is to the park, parke or plaza. Madalas is always, tuwing is every, and then linggo is Sunday. Pumupunta sila sa parke madalas tuwing linggo. Once more, the pang-abay madalas means often or frequently in English. Madalas. Madalas.